Hey guys, so we were passing by in some town of Texas on the way to Austin. We found this drive-in, which is called Storm's Drive-In. Apparently, this used to be a dairy queue, and when Elvis Presley was stationed in Fort something, he used to come here all the time for lunch and dinner. This is the country famous burgers, and they were featured on the best places, best off in the Food Network. They've also been written in Southern Living, Texas Highways, Texas Monthly, Texas Call Power, and Austin Chronicle. So this is a very historical and famous place. And yeah, we're gonna go try a burger. It's called
And we are in Mineral Well State Park. State
Lake
Park.
Mineral Well State Park.
Right, something like that. There you go.
Ah!
Okay, so what we got?
So this, apparently everything that is built in this park, like the benches and the structures and the buildings, they used resources from the park. They used local materials during the 1930s. Structures are still used. This lake used to be a main water supply for the city of Mineral Well.
It's beautiful, beautiful.
Hollow. Basically, it's a rock climbing place, and we're going to show you how it goes. Right now, we have the first step of the trail. It's basically just a hike to the rocks, and then we're going to go that way. Where's Mom right there? And then we're going to find the staircase, and then somehow we're going to get down there to that valley. So right now, we're descending down the stairs. It's a natural rocky staircase, and here we have the pillars with the wooden rails, and this goes down for a couple 20 feet more or less, and we'll see you at the bottom of the staircase. Dar and Mom are still going down, and here is the beginning of the valley from the staircase, but here is a cave that we are going to explore later after we explore the valley. And right now we're going to go through the cave, and we're going to show you exactly how it looks and how. So right now we're in the valley here. This is an overview on how it looks like. Here's Dar. Dar, say hi.
Hi.
And
Don't tell me to say that.
And so right now, there's the very top, somewhere about there. That's a good 35 feet up. And so we're coming closer to the middle of the valley. And here, there's another like sort of cavern there. And here, for some reason, someone put the trash can here. We have no idea why. But I guess it's for like grill stuff. And so we're gonna go down here. Here's a giant rock. In fact, these two rocks are for a little space you can squeeze in through.
rocky thing, rocky cabin.
Passageway.
Yeah, and it's very small, so as you can see, I barely fit here. And we're gonna go down to see the valley.
Also, as you can see, it's very dark within here.
Yeah.
Here's the roof. There's a little pothole out there. You can see a little bit of sunlight, but not very much. This tunnel is very short, and it leads you to basically one of the beaches of this humongous lake, and the beach that the lake belongs to. We're going to go to this slim passageway here.
It's very slim.
It's slimmer than that passageway we went earlier near the cabin.
Yeah, so it might be hard to come through.
And so we have two passageways. You go to
Okay, can we?
the right side and the left side. The right side looks like a little more dangerous. I already went through there, and I can honestly say that is pretty hard to get past too. Unless you're like an expert rock climber, I suggest you shouldn't go down there. So the clearly little safer side is the left side, but it's still a little dangerous.
Sorry.
Good morning. It is 4:30 in the morning. We're about to get the kids up and everything else, and I'm doing oil check, truck check, brake check, food check, and everything else. We are going to be on our way home from Austin, Texas. Well, we're gonna be stopping by other places, but basically getting ready to rock and roll. Okay, truck checked out. Okay, everything's good to go.
You'd be as
So we are at Duke's Seafood and Steakhouse. It's in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. The food is amazing. This is the family-owned restaurant. The owner and his wife has been in this business for over 40 years, and he's competing in the competitions for the oyster shuckers. And so he won actually a world title, and he was a 5-time champion in US. So the seafood, oysters, crawfish, everything is great. The kids had burgers. Burgers are awesome, very filling. I had pasta with crawfish, which was amazing. And Al had a seafood platter, which was out of this world. So if you are anytime in Louisiana, Baton Rouge area, I would highly recommend for you to stop by Duke's Seafood and Steakhouse. Amazing food, amazing people, great service. So yeah, if you have a chance, stop by. Alright, so we are in Destin, Florida. Just had a badass coffee, which is really strong, a true Hawaiian coffee.
And Daniel loved it.
It's really good. And we are on the way to Whataburger.
The Floridian Whataburger.
Well, it's Texan, but they are in Florida apparently.
We didn't know that. Wow.
No, we didn't know that. So we will go and have a burger for breakfast. Destin,
breakfast. It's 12,
11. We love Destin, Florida. It's beautiful.
And we love
white sand beaches, beautiful ocean. Beautiful area, a lot of things to do for the family, for the kids, for adults.
And it has badass coffee.
And it has a badass coffee. So yeah, guys, come and check it out. It's a very nice family vacation spot. Very beautiful. We like it, right?
Yes.
Bon voyage.
Bon voyage.
Guys, we have arrived to Florida. We are in Jacksonville. We're already almost home, 5 hours away. We stopped by our very favorite place. It's called Wawa. Here's the place. Wawa. It's not, and I cannot stress enough, Wawa is a religion. This is the place. It's not only known for sandwiches. We are big followers of Wawa. Wawa is amazing. It's an excellent company. It's actually employee owned. It's very, very cool. Our house in Pennsylvania is located next to the corporate office. So so it's cool. Support the Wawa people and come and drink some Wawa coffee. Wawa coffee, the best. So